wanting to get an update on issues to do with the recent ruling of the Supreme Court.
Honourable Speaker and Honourable colleagues, I have also written to the Honourable the Chief Justice and requested the Honourable the Chief Justice to advising him that we have commenced the implementation of the court orders and sought for advice on the person with whom the DPP should liaise for purposes of effecting these orders.
Kati Parliament esobola kwebuzaabuza eno ensonga bagifudde nga ya Attorney General.
Kkooti yagamba nti emisango gyonna egibadde gihandolingwa General Court Martial bagijje bagiteeke mu kkooti zaffe eza bulijjo.
Tulina ky'oyinza kwogera kubanga Supreme Court ye kkooti ey'oku ntikko ey'eggwanga lino Uganda.
Kubiriza bannaffe abalowooza nti balina obuyinza nga bali mu gavumenti okukola eby'amateeka ebibalagira okukola.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.